Are you experiencing your iPhone battery overheating while recording videos or taking photos? This issue can occur due to various reasons, including intensive app usage, background processes, or the phone working harder during camera activities. Don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem activity. Before you start, turn off the reduce motion feature. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap on motion. Turn off the reduce motion feature. Solution 2. Adjust camera settings. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on camera. Tap on record video and select a lower resolution, such as 1080p at 30 fps instead of 4K or 1080p at 60 fps. Lower resolutions and frame rates put less stress on your phone's processor, which can help prevent overheating. Tap on Formats and select Most Compatible instead of High Efficiency to avoid any intensive compression during video recording. Solution 3. Check for intensive background processes. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Battery. Tap on battery usage to check if any apps are consuming excessive power. If you notice apps using an unusually high amount of power, force them close by swiping up from the bottom and swiping away the app. Solution 4. Enable camera lens correction. The camera lens correction feature can sometimes cause your phone to work harder, which could contribute to overheating. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on camera. Tap on lens correction and disable it. This reduces processing power and can prevent extra heat buildup during photo and video capture. Solution 5. Disable background app refresh. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Choose Off to stop apps from refreshing in the background, reducing battery load and helping cool down your iPhone during video recording or photo taking. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your iPhone overheating while recording videos or taking photos. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.